In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door weather strip on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to pop this panel up. Just use a trim tool, get underneath here, pop it up. It should just be clipped in. And slide that out. You can see there's some clips under there. A couple broken ones on this one. Just grab this front panel, slide this out. Might need a trim tool under here. It's going to pop straight back. It's just a push pin holding that in. Just pop this cover off. It slides out like that. Behind the front seat, we're going to grab this panel right here and just pull it straight out. It just snaps in. Pops off, it's just pushed in. There's two screws here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. I just grab this panel and just pop it out. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Just slides out of the way. Just grab the weather strip and just slide it out. Right here, you're gonna have to slide it down a little bit. And it comes right off. Take the new weather strip. We're gonna start where the old cut was. Get that started right there. And just go along, pushing this down. Push it all the way down. Make sure it's tight in all the corners. Now we're going to line this up where it's going to go together on the other side, and we're going to use a utility knife and cut it. Does cut pretty easily. If you slice it a little bit and then move to the side, you can get in between where the metal piece is. Line that up. Hammer it down. That's good. You take this panel, get this lined up. All right, that's good. Take the two screws. Tighten those down. Take this panel, line it up. push it down. Take this panel, line this up. You might have to pull the handle up for the hood. Lock it down. Take this cover, lock that down, and a lower cover, slide it under the seat, get that lined up in position, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.